Alright, in this video, I just want to simply go through and do a little bit of cleanup to our set site transform function because we can remove a decent amount of lines from this. So pretty much, I haven't really thought this through, but I'm going to go ahead and just kind of wing it. So I want to go ahead and set site transform to relative and then modify it kind of from there. So either that or we can use relative kind of how we are now, but as you can see, for set rotation, for example, we're just using the rotator already, so it's kind of meh. So I'm going to go ahead and set that to be site transform, and we can remove the new site vector because we already have that location stored in site transform. So let's remove that. And then we have to get pretty much move that location of the site transform forwards. So we can also get rid of this. Let's see, what was new site transform again? Oh, duh. So we're gonna go ahead and set, I'll just do it down here. Site transform dot set location. We want to use our current location plus the forward vector of this rotation and multiply it by 30. So that's going to be site transform dot get not rotation, get location plus site transform dot get rotation vector, or we actually could really just use get forward vector instead. Doesn't really matter. So convert it to a vector and then times 30. And that should take care of this line, these lines, and these lines here. So let's go ahead and save it, run our live coding, and see if it actually works. Alrighty, let's give it a test. And everything still works. So we went ahead and we shrunk that up a good bit. So let's do a quick glance at, honestly at this point, it might be okay to have that log here, but I'm not too worried about it. It's just kind of taking up space at this point. Same thing goes in set final hand transform. I'm just not going to bother printing out the logs. So same thing in native begin play. No longer really needed. So I'd say we are good to go. So that's going to be all for this video. It's just a quick one where I wanted to just kind of shrink this up a bit into something that's a lot cleaner. So I will see you in the next video.